am about to go meet my sister for a coffee. I haven't seen her since my mom was here because sorry. I haven't seen her since my mom was here because of her exams. She's really busy, but today she finishes. So we're gonna go have a coffee, and then we're going to Waterstones, by the way. And then I'm gonna meet my husband because we have some more errands to run. Like we need litter for the cats, and a bunch of hangers for the house. It's all coming together, guys. Like it looks really cute. Can't wait to show you. He's so cute. That's his dream dog.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
A good dog. Right?
So there is possibly something like a windstorm, and it has been going on for a few days. However, I'm determined to go have my coffee today because I'm just tired of being at home. This is so nice. We're going to see my very dear friend Willow again. Willow! Hi! Oh, they changed. They put her here. Willow! Hi! How are you doing today? Don't you think she can get out? Willow! Aww. Do you think she wants to go back? That's why she's just waiting here?
Maybe.
Willow. She's so cute. Aww. Guys, that last clip that you saw, I was freezing. Like, that day was so cold. You honestly, like, I cannot even explain how cold it was. But it is 2 days after or a day after. The weather today was really good, and I went and did some charity shopping. I have like a very unique I've had a very unique experience at the charity shop, which I'm gonna share tomorrow. I just wanted to record a little bit tonight and pretty much just talk because I just missed that, to be honest. One of my favorite shows, it says that vlogging is like a form of therapy because sometimes you tell yourself exactly what you need to hear.
It's like
Coffee time. Wait, hold to show my outfit. I have to go in front. Wait, you can actually see it. Put it down. We are at one of my like now favorite cafes, and like honestly the coffee here is so freaking good. It has like an aftertaste of something just like delicious. You want to try?
no.
You have to take a picture. Tell that.
You could choose like 5 movies each time. professional looking. Like you come back, you're like, yeah, I wrote this review. See my ratings.
Legend of the Deep.
Just
My husband was just telling me about this app that you rate movies, and he rated the Water Horse movie, which is one of my favorite movies, 3.5 stars, and he rated the B movie 5. You rated the Simpsons movie higher
fire.
than the Water Horse.
Oh, come on.
And Chicken Little.
Chicken Little fire. Come on now, don't do that.
There's no way you did that. Okay, Brother Bear is a 5.
Yeah.
I actually can't believe you gave it 3.5.